Assalamu alaikum. Hope all of you are fine. I am also very fine. So, waiting for your presence. You are requested to join the class as early as possible so that I may start the class very soon. So was disconnected. So I am sorry, extremely sorry for that. Anyway, I tried to give you some homework, short question, 3 short question in the previous class. So anyway, today I am going to continue the same chapter, chapter 10, from lesson 9 and 10. The phenomena of electricity and magnet chapters. I am going to discuss chapter 9 and 10. So get ready with your book. Open at page number 116. It's called lesson 9 and 10. What is magnet? There is a story in ancient Greece that there was a shepherd named Magnus who used to live at a place named Magnesia in Asia Minor. He used to graze sheep in the field by day and beg them home in the evening. One day while returning home he noticed that he could not lift up his stick from the ground. The head of it was stuck to a stone. He noticed that the stone held the iron made top of the stick. That means Magnus observed that iron attracted that unknown stone. This stone was named after the name of Magnus. Bengali word of magnet is chumbak. We have also observed that magnet has power to attract iron. Attraction is a kind of force. Work can be done by force, therefore a magnet has capacity of doing work, so magnet is a kind of energy. Properties of magnets. Property of magnets. Necessary equipments: white paper, iron fillings, pin, a bar magnet. Method: sprinkle some iron fillings over a white paper, keep a bar magnet over the sprinkled iron fillings or the pins, and lift it up after moving it a few times. What has been observed? You will observe that iron fillings or pins remain stuck to the body of the magnet. It will be seen by careful observation that most of the iron fillings or pins remain stuck to the two ends of the magnet. Amount of iron fillings stuck to the magnet gradually decreases from the end to its middle. You may not middle. What has been seen? The magnet is practically left north and south. Due do the same thing with the other magnet. It will be seen that the magnet will also practically be positioned pointing north and south. It is understood from this that hanging magnets without obstruction always lie pointing towards north and south. Now let us mention north and south poles of magnet respectively by N and S. Now bring the north pole of the first magnet near the north pole of the second magnet. What are you seeing? Repulsion occurs. From this, it is understood that like poles of magnet repel each other. Now bring the north pole of the first magnet near the north pole of the second magnet. What has been observed? Similarly, bring the north pole of the second magnet near the south pole of the first magnet. They have come close to each other very easily. From this, we can take decision that unlike poles of magnet attract each other. Therefore, like poles of magnet repel each other, and unlike poles or magnet attract each other. Lesson 11. Magnetic and non-magnetic substances. Will magnet attract all substances? No, magnet does not attract all the substances. Magnet mainly attracts iron, nickel, cobalt and maximum steel. These substances are called magnetic substance. Again, magnet does not attract many substances. For example, copper, aluminium, brass, wood, silver, plastic, etc. These are non-magnetic substances. Lesson. There is work. Identification of magnetic and non-magnetic. For example, nails, iron nails. You give iron nails and you will test it is attracted or not. And which type of substance is this? Is magnetic substance. Magnetic substance because it is attracted by magnets. Be prepared in many artificial ways. Rubbing and electrical method have been discussed before. Method of rubbing. A bar magnet and a steel bar are needed for this experiment. Rub the steel bar from one to another end with a pole of bar magnet. Do this for several times. Does the steel bar attract a pin? Thus a steel bar converted into a magnet through rubbing. If it has been rubbed through north pole of the magnet, it will be seen that north pole will be created at the first portion of the rubbed steel bar and south pole at the end. Electrical method. Take a long iron nail, coil it with ordinary electrical wire available in the market, connect its two ends with a batteries and two ends. Now it is seen that any part of the nail can attract a pin. The nail does not attract a pin if the electric current flow is stopped. So it is understood that the nail has been converted into a temporary magnet. The strength of electromagnet depends on the flow of electric current through it. Electrical method. Terrestrial magnetic field. If a bar magnet is in harm by trying it with a thread at the middle, the magnet practically lies pointing north and south. It occurs because of terrestrial magnet. The behavior of a bar magnet in a globe is similar to the behavior of terrestrial magnet. The effect of terrestrial magnet exists everywhere. Two poles of hanging bar magnet indicates two poles of Earth's magnet. Here the north pole of bar magnet indicates the north side, but a north pole always attracts a south pole. Charge is created because of rubbing rather charge in matter one substance to another. Charges of same nature repel each other, opposite nature attract each other. In order to maintain supply of electricity, there should be a source which can supply electricity continuously. Electricity flows in every part of simple circuit continuously. The attraction of magnet is highest near two poles. Like poles of magnet repel each other, and unlike poles of magnet attract each other. Hanging magnets without obstruction always lie pointing towards north and south. It occurs because of Earth's magnet. So the chapter is finished. So from the chapter we learned many new words here. Charge, what is charge, how is charge created, and also static electricity, current electricity, conductor, non-conductor, semiconductor, simple circuit, magnetic substance. All you have to learn this. Especially what is charge, what is static electricity. So you see the exercise here, fill in the blanks. Electron moves round the nucleus. Semiconductor generally behave like non-conductor in low temperature. The behavior of a bar magnet in a globe is similar to the behavior of terrestrial magnets. And I gave this 3 questions for homework yesterday. Multiple choice. The aim of question, the aim of using regulator in electric fan is to control motion. Based on the properties of magnet, which of the following substance belong to same group? Cobalt, iron, nickel. And the characteristic of figure A is figure A charged neutral. In case of figure A and B have attraction. N is neutron, P is proton, and this is electron. So in the exercise there are creative questions. Samiha has a bar magnet. She prepared a magnet by rubbing method and another by electrical method. What is called magnetic substance? Explain that the earth is a huge magnet. Describe the first method of preparing magnet. The second type of magnet is a strong, though temporary. Analyze the quotation. Number 2, what is called static electricity? Why metals are conductor of electricity? Explain the function of the figure 1. There are 2 types of electricity in the second figure. Analyze it by mentioning the areas. So for your homework, you have to submit this creative question number 1, and also learn creative question number 2, and one thing to remind you that the syllabus of the second midterm and also the annual exam. How many chapters are given for midterm? Chapter 1, 2, 6, 8. How many chapters are given for the second midterm exam? You know very well how many chapters there. So let me see the chapters here. Three, 4, 9. Chapter 3, 4, 9. 3, 4, 9, 10. 3, 4, 9, 10. Chapter 3, 4, 9, 10. So chapter 3 is external morphology of plants, respiration, and 9 heat and temperature, and chapter 10 phenomena of electricity and magnet. You have to learn this chapter in advance. I think I have completed 9 and 10, heat and temperature, phenomena of electricity and magnet, and rest of the chapters, respiration, external morphology. I think all the chapters already completed, already finished. So in the coming vacation, coming Eid vacation, you have to study these 4 chapters very, very attentively. Then we will proceed to annual exam chapters. Chapter 1, 4, 5, 9, 10, 11, 14. So we will include all the chapters, both midterm and annual syllabus. We have to keep in mind all together midterm syllabus, second midterm syllabus, and annual syllabus. For preparation in advance, we have to study or learn. At first, we have to give importance to second midterm syllabus, second midterm exam syllabus. Then we will follow annual exam syllabus. Okay. So it is not necessary to tell you specifically this chapter you should learn, this chapter you should, and always keep in mind that lessons are unlimited. Numerous lessons, topics are there. You can find out from the test paper, as you know, model test, like model test. From each and every chapter you will get lot of creative question for practice, lot of MCQ, and also knowledge based question, comprehension based question, application based, higher order based. Four types of creative question you will get in the in your book, practice books, or test paper, like test paper. So it is your first and foremost duty to apart from the questions given by the teachers. So you must remember, for your learning, for your knowledge, you try your best as much as possible to know about the chapters and to get more depth learning, so that you will not face any difficulty in the higher classes also. You are going to be promoted to class 8 next year. Only 4 or 5 months remain. So think about that, keep in mind. Okay? So if my class is the last one, the Eid holidays, so don't forget to learn all the chapters which are included in the midterm exam syllabus. Okay? So these four chapters are compulsory for you to study during the holidays. Try to complete, try to take full preparation for the next second midterm exam, and after completing these four chapters you will start or try to revise or learn the annual exam syllabus repeatedly, because time is no more to us. Only 4 months, 3-4 months are remaining for the final exam, and second midterm exam will be held, I think, June, July, August, September, in the first week of September, I think. So this is all for today. Thank you for joining the class, watching my video, listening to my words. Best of luck. Take care of your study. Take care of your health. Don't go outside unnecessarily. Maintain your rules of health every day properly. So thank you. Assalamu alaikum. Goodbye.